Hi everyone, we're here to do part 2 of mixtures and solutions. Today we're going to learn specifically about solutions, parts of solutions, and different kinds of solutions. So the first thing I want to ask you is to take a look at these 4 pictures and decide which is a solution. Only one of them is a true solution. We've got some muddy water, we've got a pile of buttons, we've got oil and water, and then we've got some cleaning fluid. I'm going to give you 5 more seconds. 4, 3, 2, 1. If you said the cleaning fluid, you are right. That is a solution because everything is evenly distributed throughout the liquid. So let's go ahead and talk about the parts of a solution. Let's think about salt water. What are the parts of salt water? Well, water and salt. But in science, scientists name everything. So when we look at solutions, the liquid in which the solute is dissolved is called the solvent. Now, if you're looking at a gas solution, it's going to be the larger amount of gas. So if I'm going to dissolve nitrogen into oxygen and there's more oxygen than nitrogen, oxygen would be my solvent. Whatever there's more of, or whatever there is a liquid more of, or a gas more of, that's going to be my solvent. The solute is whatever is being dissolved, whatever there is a smaller amount of that is dissolving into the larger amount of. So those are the parts of a solution. Let's take a look at this picture right here. Here you can see blue powder, that's our solute, that's what's going to be dissolved. Our solvent is the water, and then the solution happens when I take the solute, put it in the solvent, and I've got my solution of blue water. Now, we learned about solubility way early on, but I just wanted to remind you the differences in solubility. You did an experiment where you dissolved different powders into water. We've got highly soluble, somewhat soluble, and insoluble or not soluble. Those are just reminder pictures for you. Now, there's a special kind of solution called a colloid. A colloid is sometimes called a suspension, and for our purposes, we're going to think of it this way. When you've got a solute that is not entirely dissolved in the solvent, the little tiny particles are sort of just hanging out in the liquid, suspended. We call that a colloid. And you can usually determine what a colloid is by shining a flashlight through it. If you shine a flashlight through it and it looks really cloudy and that light is really evenly dispersed, then that's going to be a colloid or a suspension. If you shine a flashlight through a solution, the light pretty much zips right through the solution. It doesn't get blocked by all the little particles hanging in the liquid. I would encourage you to do this at home. Take some flour, put it in water, mix it up. You've got a colloid. Then take a flashlight, shine the flashlight through it. Then mix some salt in water, shine the flashlight through that, and see if you can see the difference. There's a video that I included that's actually super informative. It's a little long, but it's really, really informative. So I hope you get a chance to watch that. You're going to be using a website. The link to the website is right there. The website will help you figure out the answers to all 4 questions. You write your answer where the question mark is right there. Then what you're going to do is you're going to show me what you know about mixtures and solutions by answering these 4 questions. The last one is the hardest. How could you separate the salt and the water? If you want to do a little bit of internet research to come up with a solution, that's fine. Remember, when you're done, you've got to submit your work. Sometimes kids finish their work, but they don't turn it in. So I don't know that it's done, and I can't give you any feedback on it. I can't comment, I can't grade it. So please make sure that you submit your work when you're done. Everybody, I want you to stay safe and keep learning. Bye-bye.